I will explain you how to dance samba correctly, but in very simple way. So there is many people know how to do it, explain the correct way, but how to apply it in the movement with the fast music, I don't think too many people really understand it. So I'll give you a simple way how you can apply even in a very fast music. So number one, this movement everybody know for samba, it's a pelvis tilt. So imagine your belly button is winking and you work your tummy. So basically focus on your tummy, go in, out, this way. You can put your hand here. Now, as you do your tummy, the tummy activate your pelvis and pelvis activate your knees. So don't do knees up and down, it's only in your tummy and in your pelvis area. Here, just do this exercise for as long as you can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now change weight. Put your weight on the right leg. Left foot is on the toe. Now the same idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only timing. It's very loose, very simple movement. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this movement everybody know, everybody teach, but how to apply it in real movement. So let's say we're going side. So I advise you strongly do it inside. 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Timing 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And watch for the order, how to practice it, how to learn it. First, do on the one leg, standing leg. This is a free leg. So in this position, that's number one. Then you change weight, do exactly the same in this position. The next, try to do it in this position. When your legs are, you're in a side step, legs are slightly apart. Right. The next, what I advise you to do, to cross your legs here in the Latin cross position, and without lifting this heel, just for exercise, activate your tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the next level for exercising to learn this movement? Now you're gonna lift actually this heel up, and before you land, that's the secret. Before you land, you have to do tummy, then knee, then heel before you land. So when I say wa, one on wa, you have to already start working your tummy. That's the secret. 1, 2. Just think about this forward movement. It's like not like really forward, it's in movement. 1, 2, before we land. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one, I will advise you to go to the side, but before you land, already in the air, before this foot land, already start activating your timing. That's the secret. 1. So before this foot lands, you already activate here. Tummy, knee, then heel. So when I say 1 on the wa, that's where you're going to go. 1. And now as this foot goes back, and now on T of the 2, you're already here with your time. 2. So this movement called whisk, and practice correct action of samba. 1, 2. So whatever I say number, you already have to start activating tummy, which activates your knee, which activates your feet. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your arm here. 7. So if you understand this movement, the next one you can do, it's a stationary samba walk. So when you close, again, every time I call number, you're gonna use your timing. 1, 1. Send your leg back. 2. 2. So don't stay too long in this position. Already, as you hit there, already start bringing this tummy in front. 2. Again, tummy. 1, 2. 1, 2. Tummy. 1, 2. The next one is a basic samba walk. So you're going 1, and make sure here already tummy in the air on the w, already active. 1, 2. Tummy. 3. So you see, I'm already activating my tummy. 3. Then the movement looks very absorbed, and now it has this beautiful samba action. Now volta, next one. 1, 2. Only thing to activate your tummy before you land. 3, 4. Tummy. 5. Tummy. 7. 8. Other movements. 1, 2. 3, 4. 5. 6. Tummy. 7. 8. Make sure you do it before you land. Before you land. Not like land, then it's too late. Okay, next movement is batucada. So you see, 1. Every time I call number on the way, already activate time. 1, 2, tummy, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now cruzado walk is exactly the same. Ah, here, just you land it a little bit sooner. Ah, 1. Ah, 2, 3. Before you land, already time active. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And Batofogo, I'll demonstrate for you. So even when you do just this right connection, also go tummy, throw out, tummy, away. Always tummy, go. Ah, 1, ah, 2. You see, on 2, I'm already collecting. 1, ah, 2, 1, ah, 2. So that's how I apply the real samba bounce. So this is what really called bounce. So bounce is never the knees. Is this tummy which activates your hip, which activates your knees, and which actually happens before the foot lands or with the foot landing, but not after.